Cage back rope and racing. In front is second by Sun and Wind. From the outside, followed by entry number 7. And that's Simply Gold. And passing before the judge stand is now Simply Gold. From the outside, followed by Sun and Wind. And 5 lengths behind in third, Air Force One. Around the outside, Trojan Knight. Then followed by Blitzkrieg, Do Re Mi. And going along for the first turn, matching stride, Sun and Wind. Around the outside now, Simply Gold. And 7 lengths away in third, Air Force One. Here comes Trojan Knight, Blitzkrieg, Do Re Mi. And Simply Strong. And into the back they travel. Sun and Wind leads by some 4 lengths now, followed by Simply Gold. And running in third, Air Force One. Here comes Trojan Knight. Inside the last 600, it is still Sun and Wind leading by some 6 now, followed by Simply Gold. Trojan Knight coming close now the outside and charging in. Inside the last 600, going to the last 4, Sun and Wind leads by some 6 lengths. Here comes Trojan Knight in second, Air Force One, Do Re Mi, Blitzkrieg, and towards the final turn, Sun and Wind hanging on with a 3 lengths leader. Trojan Knight on the outside, but still Sun and Wind. Trojan Knight moves up on the outside to grab the leader. It's now Trojan Knight leads by some 4 lengths now over Sun and Wind. And finally, it's Trojan Knight. Close, Do Re Mi, Sun and Wind, Blitzkrieg, Reclamador.
Sino yung pang-anim?
Reklama